Yeah, welcome back to RentPro demo. In this section, I'm going to show you how you can bill your tenants and, and start rent and renew rent at the same time. Also, we are going to see how you will receive your payment and post your payment on the account section. That's financial account section of RentPro. So I'm going to start with the billing section, the billing, service billing, as you can see from the menu. Service billing allow you to bill your tenants for the service carried out for them. So it's very easy for you to collect your money with RentPro. So you add the service category, whether it's property management or maintenance. You select it, and you add the service name that is done. Whether, let's say, painting work has been done on the tenant apartment, and you put description here. You can say painting of the let me say repainting of the front wall. That is service description. So you put the service cost there, and you have the service. After adding the service, you select the bill to. The bill to is, you can be bill to pay tenants or property owner or home buyer or associate. So you can bill the tenant, and the invoice will come so that you can create the invoice. So I'm billing a tenant here, and alright, I'm billing a tenant here, so I'm going to put the invoice description. Billing for painting work. So that's the billing. So I'm creating the invoice now. So the invoice will be created, and it will go to the accounting section so that you can post the payments. That's all for the invoice. So if you're able to build the invoice, so the next thing you want to learn to do is to post your payments. This is where you can post your payment here. As you can see all the invoices. If you go to the accounting section, you will see all your invoices there. As you can see, these are your invoices. This one I created now. So I can add the payment here. Yes, I add the payment so that I can print the receipt for the customer. But before I add the payment, let me show you the receipts. This is the receipt for the invoice that was created. Oh, that one is showing something. It's showing something. Okay, let me add the payments. So to add the payments, you select the payment mode, and you select the bank that was paid to. Also, you select the payment type, whether it's for rent or is for maintenance service. Are you getting it? And you put the amount there. Put the amount that was paid into the system so that you can generate the invoice post payment. So the payment has been posted, and you can print out the receipts at the same time. It's very simple. This is the receipt here. Can you see it? This is the receipt. Can you see the receipt? Okay. So this is the receipt here. So it's very simple. So you can See the receipt. So you can easily print out your receipt. If you have your company logo uploaded, you are going to see it like this. If you have your signature, it's going to come under this signature. So that's how you see your. So let me show you the invoice now. The invoice is ready. Financial accounts. I can print the invoice for you. Can you see the invoice now? This is the invoice. This is the invoice for the services. So this is it. So that's that about that. So now, having been able to create your billing and post your payments, I'm going to show you how you can start rent and renew your rent now. Are you getting it? I'm going to show you how to start your rent and renew your rent. So now let's go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, if you scroll down here, you have your property unit here. You can see this one that is vacant. Anyone that is vacant, we have start rent. Anyone that is occupied, we have renew rent. As you can see here, renew rent. So anyone that is vacant, we have start. So let's put in something here, and let's put somebody into this apartment. Start rent. Click on start rent to enroll somebody into your apartment. So this is the start rent page. On this page, you'll be able to set up your rent charges and the period of the rent at the same time. So it's very easy and straightforward. So I'm going to pick the tenant that is going to occupy the apartment. Let me just pick somebody that's going to occupy the apartment. Then you select the rent start date. The rent start date is the day the rent started, so it can be backdated. It doesn't matter. You can to a particular date that the rent has started. If it's a past rent, you still be able to upload it to the system. So I'm picking January 1st, 2023 for the start rent, and the rent preference can be yearly, biannual, or quarterly, or monthly. I'm picking yearly. So the length of period can be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 10 year, or it can be, if it's monthly, that means 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So that's how this one works. Now we have the agent commission. You can put your agent commission there. Let's say it's 10%. If there's a caution fee on the rent, you put it there. If there's agency fee, you put it there. If there is legal fee, you put it there. And if there is service charge for the rent, you put it there. So you can calculate the rent and dues now. This system will calculate the rent and dues and give you the total rent cost. As you can see, can you see it? Yeah. So this is the rent cost, this is the landlord, this is landlord, this is the management fee, this is service charge, and this is total cost for the rent. So before you submit the rent, check this out. You can send alerts to the tenants. If you check this box, it is going to send alerts, that's SMS and email to the tenants. If you enable the rent reminder, it's going to schedule an automatic reminder for the tenants when the rent due remaining 60 days, 90 days, and 30 days. Okay, so you can now submit. When you submit this, it's going to start the rent and create invoice for the bill. So let me submit now. So I've submitted the rent now. You can see it has come back to the invoice page. So this is the invoice I created now. And if you go to your dashboard, you're going to see the rent there. It has been started. You see? This is it here. This is it here. This is it here. So this is it. Occupied. You can see it. This is the expiry date. This is the rent renew. So if you click on this to send read deed notice, if you want to move out the tenants, you click here. This is the invoice total, this is the payments made, and this is the outstanding. You can see the RentPro is very good. So at a glance, you can capture everything that's happening in the system at a glance. It's a very powerful software that has been helping millions of users every day. So um, that is the dashboard for you. So now let me go back to the financial accounting so that I can show you more about the financial accounts or what you can get from it. The financial account has payments. The payment is where you can see all the payments posted into the system, and you can print out receipts at the same time. So these are the payments being posted, and you can print out your receipts as well. You have expenses. You can capture all your expenses on the system. So this one will help you to track all expenses made in cost of running your property management business. Okay. And we have disbursement. Disbursement is used to capture the records of all the disbursement made to the landlord, so that you can track them, so that there won't be confusion at the end of the day that this money I've sent it, I've not sent it, this money I've sent, I've not sent it. So you can have the record on your system that okay, this money has been paid to the landlord, and at the end of the day you can have the summary of the report of total amount that has been paid to the landlord at a particular period of time. Let me show you how it is. So this is a disbursement form. So you can add disbursement. It's very easy. So you can add your disbursements. As you can see, we have the disbursements to landlord, the property, then the disbursement mode, whether it's a cash or transfer that you made to the landlord. Then you have the transaction ID, amount disbursed, transaction description, and transaction date. So you can submit it when you have all the information posted into the system. That's a disbursement section. So let's go back to the accounting. We have landlord statement. Landlord statement give you summary of dues and disbursement to landlord. So you don't need to bother yourself. You can just come to print the statement so that you can know amount that is due to the landlord at a particular period of time. So you can see. So you can search for a period. You can see now. You can see. So no money has been disbursed to the landlord. That's the meaning. So you can print the statement. Now I'm showing error. So that is your landlord statement. I'm going to show you later on that. So on your financial account, you still have chart of accounts, general voucher, general ledger, banks, trial balance, trial balance, income statements, profit and loss. So let me show you the statement now. It's ready. Landlord now. This is statement. This is a statement for the landlord. So you can see all the money that has been posted to all the dues for the landlord. They're on the debit side. On the credit side, the debit is the disbursement made to the landlord. So and you can see the summary at the bottom of the report. So that is the landlord statement. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you have any question or you want to see the trial, you can sign up on the RentPro trial. If you want the quotation or the cost for your business, you can request the quotation from here. You can also contact us for more information by sending email or by placing a phone call to us. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day.